Namaskar, this is The Crazy Careers and you're watching What's Trending with me, Neeta Samantwai. Today, we are talking about a major shakeup in the global AI industry. Chinese AI company DeepSeek has sent shockwaves through America's tech giants overnight. The Magnificent Seven, Alphabet, Amazon, Apple, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla saw a massive sell-off, wiping out nearly 1 trillion USD in a single take. So what exactly happened? DeepSeek unveiled its AI model that rival top Western AI systems like ChatGPT, but at a fraction of the cost. These models, trained on less advanced chips, are proving to be just as powerful, shaking investors' confidence in the American AI dominance. The biggest loser in this market crash? Nvidia. The chipmaker suffered its worst trading day since 2020, losing 600 billion USD in market value. But interestingly, Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang called DeepSeek's development an excellent advancement. Why? Because even though DeepSeek used cheaper chips, they were still Nvidia's chips, meaning the demand is not going away anytime soon. Meanwhile, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman acknowledged DeepSeek's progress, calling it impressive, but assured that OpenAI will continue delivering better models. However, the real challenge is cost. DeepSeek reportedly trained its AI for just 6 million USD. OpenAI is burning through 5 billion USD a year. DeepSeek offering free access to users while ChatGPT remains paid. Could this be a game changer? Adding to the drama, DeepSeek's platform faced a massive cyber attack just hours after its rise to pay. Was it a coincidence or something more? The internet, of course, has its theories, with some pointing fingers at the United States. Here is an opinion on the concerns on data security with emerging AI platforms. Hear it out.
Even DeepSeek's AI model offer many advantages in terms of cost and accessibility, but there are still some concerns regarding the data security and privacy. And also the base of the company is in China, so some users and organizations are cautious about the data residency and the potential oversights by the Chinese authorities. Additionally, the open source nature of the models, like while promoting innovation, may also lead to misuse of unintended applications.
This is a moment of reckoning for AI innovation. Will Silicon Valley maintain its edge, or are we witnessing the rise of China as a true AI powerhouse? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Crazy Careers. See you in the next episode of What's Trending. Until then, take care.